Good day, everyone. I am Nagiv Mahfouz from Egypt, a writer known for modern Arabic literature. I was born in Cairo in 1911, and my experiences in Egyptian society inspired many of my stories. One of my famous works is the Cairo Trilogy. This story shows the life of an Egyptian family and the changes in society through the years. My works focus on family, tradition, culture, and social change. In 1988, I became the first Arab writer to win the Nobel Prize in Literature. Through my writings, I wanted the world to understand Egyptian life and culture. Every person has a story hidden in the streets of Cairo. In my society, people face struggles with family, tradition, and change. Through my writing, I wanted the world to see the real life of Egyptians and understand our culture and experiences. Thank you for listening. I am Nagiv Mahfouz, and my stories give a voice to the people of Egypt.